special day. We're doing this recording on today is the 23rd of June. We're here in San Miguel, Bulacan, San Jose, San Miguel, Bulacan. You've been here together with Ate Jen, and we just want to be true to our promise to you. Di ba sabi mo sabi ninyong dalawa, kami tutugtog sa wedding day nyo together with the band. At dito kayo kakasal sa Pilipinas. Remember those times na pinag-usapan natin. We made lots of plans about your special day. You will come in bed. But since you are in Canada, enjoying this very special day, I think we thought of a way to reach out to you. Na maging present din yung band, maging present din ako sa special day na ito. Just like what LeBron James said yesterday. It's damn time. You've been waiting for years for this very special occasion. Matagal na rin kami naghihintay noon. Nasa New Zealand pa ako. Ang pagkakwentuhan natin itong kasal ninyo. Yeah, it's that good time. Today is the time. Today is a blessed time na bigay sa inyo ng Diyos. So, I want you to enjoy all God's blessings sa buhay ninyo. Eto, gumawa kami ng paraan para maging present kami sa inyo. I'm happy for both of you. The whole band is happy for both of you. The whole of San Miguel is happy for both of you. And we wish you all the best. And all we want is for you to enjoy your journey together as husband and wife. So for me and the rest of the band, congratulations. And with every good wish and blessing, nandito lang kami at nagmamahal sa inyo.